Habari, karibu Swahili Pol. In this video, I'm going to share with you common phrases that are useful in daily life or when you're traveling. So I'm going to break the video into three parts. The very first part is going to be greetings. So I'll share with you common greetings that will be useful when you're traveling in a Swahili speaking country. So this one is very specific when you're traveling to Tanzania. So you'll meet someone and they'll say, Mambo, Mambo, and that is a greetings, which means how are things or how are you? And you'll be responding by saying po a. Or you can also say safi, safi. So mambo, poa, or you can say safi. They all mean good or I'm well. Another greetings is habari, habari. So habari literally means how are you or how are things or how is the news. And you will be responding by saying nzuri, nzuri, nzuri. Or you can also say safi, which also means good. So the other greeting that you might be able to hear either when you're traveling in Tanzania, Kenya, and maybe some parts of Uganda, I'm not very sure, but is hujambo, hujambo. So hujambo means how are you? How are you? And you will respond by saying sijambo, sijambo. So another greetings that you might hear, especially in Tanzania and maybe some parts of Kenya and Uganda, is someone who is younger will be saying it, someone who is a little bit older than them, or someone you can use it to someone who have a higher status. So you will say shikamo, shikamo. So this one means I respect you, and the other person will say marahaba, marahaba. And what it means is I accept your respect or I acknowledge your respect. So those are the greetings that you will be hearing when you're traveling around Swahili speaking country, specifically in Tanzania. So if you're from any other Swahili speaking country and you have heard any other greetings that you use on that part, can you comment below and say how do you greet each other and what is the response? This video is going to be introduction. So introduction, like simple phrases that someone might ask so as to know you a little bit better. So the very first question someone might ask is unazungumza Kiswahili? Je, unazungumza Kiswahili? So that person is just trying to ask you if you can speak Swahili. And I'm sure you'll be able to say ndiyo, ninazungumza Kiswahili. Ndiyo, ninazungumza Kiswahili. Or if you're just a beginner, you can say ndiyo, ninazungumza Kiswahili kidogo. Ninazungumza Kiswahili kidogo. Or you can simply say kidogo kidogo. Kidogo kidogo, which it means very little or in a very limited amount. Let's say we meet someone and you want to know their name. How do you ask? Unaitwa nani? Unaitwa nani? So, what is your name or what are you called? And the person will respond, ninaitwa Priska. Ninaitwa Priska. I am called or my name is Priska. Another question is, where are you from? Unatoka wapi? Unatoka wapi? Ninatoka Tanzania. Ninatoka Tanzania. Unaishi wapi? Unaishi wapi? Where do you live? Where do you live? Unaishi wapi? Ninaishi Tanzania. Ninaishi Tanzania. Nafurahi kukutana na wewe. Ninafurahi kukutana na wewe. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So you can use this phrase when you're trying to close the conversation with someone and you just want to sound nice. Ninafurahi kukutana na wewe. So let's say you have traveled to Tanzania and you want to buy some stuff or you want to ask about some things. So that is the part 3 of our video. How to ask simple questions. Samahani, nielekeze kituo cha taxi. Excuse me, can you show me direction to the taxi station? Or you can say, nielekeze kituo cha basi. Can you show me direction to bus station? You can also ask, ofisi ya feri iko wapi? Ofisi ya feri iko wapi? So it's ferry office. Where is the ferry office? Where is the ferry office? Ofisi ya feri iko wapi? So let's say you want to buy something. Tafadhali, ninahitaji kununua maji. Tafadhali, ninahitaji kununua maji. Excuse me, I want to buy some water. Oh, sorry, I want to buy water. Sorry, I want to buy water. Tafadhali, ninahitaji kununua maji. Tafadhali, ninaomba namba yako ya simu. Tafadhali, ninaomba namba yako ya simu. Excuse me, oh sorry, can you give me your phone number? Excuse me, can you give me your phone number? Tafadhali, ninaomba namba yako ya simu. Asante sana. Asante sana. I hope this video is helpful and kwaheri. Kwaheri.